Space farming, the practice of cultivating plants and rearing animals in space, is an essential area of research for long-duration space missions and potential future colonization of other planets. Despite its critical importance, space farming faces several unique challenges that must be addressed to ensure its success. One of the primary challenges of space farming is the microgravity environment. In the absence of Earth's gravitational pull, many aspects of traditional farming are disrupted. For instance, water and nutrients do not flow downwards as they do on Earth, complicating irrigation and the delivery of nutrients to plants. This situation requires the development of specialized hydroponic and aeroponic systems that can efficiently distribute water and nutrients in a microgravity environment. The need for autonomous systems in space farming cannot be understated. Given the limited number of crew members on space missions and the multitude of tasks they must perform, relying on astronauts to manage space farms is impractical. Developing automated systems that can handle the day-to-day operations of a space farm, including planting, watering, harvesting, and pest control, is essential. This involves advances in robotics, artificial intelligence, and sensor technology. Soil management is another significant challenge in space farming. On Earth, soil plays a crucial role in supporting plant growth, providing nutrients, and holding water. However, transporting soil to space is impractical due to its weight and the complexities involved in maintaining its quality in a space environment. This necessitates the development of soilless farming techniques, such as hydroponics and aeroponics, which can be challenging to optimize for different types of crops. A major obstacle in space farming is the limited availability of space and resources on spacecraft and in extraterrestrial habitats. This limitation necessitates the development of farming systems that are highly efficient in terms of space utilization and energy consumption. The key is to achieve the highest possible yield within a confined area, considering the premium on space and energy in extraterrestrial environments. Moreover, the ability to recycle and reuse resources, such as water and nutrients, is crucial. This requires advanced systems capable of managing resources effectively. Additionally, waste management in the restricted space of a spacecraft or space habitat is a critical component of space farming. The capability to recycle organic waste into usable resources is indispensable for the sustainability of space farming operations. The challenge involves creating bioregenerative life support systems that are capable of transforming waste into vital components like nutrients, oxygen, and water. These systems need to be efficient enough to form a self-sufficient loop, supporting both plant cultivation and human requirements. This area of space farming is a focal point of ongoing research, with efforts directed towards enhancing the efficacy and sustainability of these systems for extended space exploration. The long-term sustainability of space farming is a key challenge. For space farming to be viable for long-duration missions or colonization efforts, it must be sustainable over years or even decades. This requires systems that are not only efficient and reliable, but also capable of evolving and adapting over time. Research in this area is ongoing, with scientists continuously testing and refining different approaches to create a sustainable and self-sufficient space farming system. Radiation in space presents another major hurdle for space farming. Outside of Earth's protective atmosphere and magnetic field, plants and animals are exposed to high levels of cosmic radiation, which can damage DNA and other cellular structures. Developing effective shielding to protect against this radiation is crucial, but such shielding adds additional weight and cost to space missions. A significant challenge in space farming is managing the energy demands, especially for artificial lighting and environmental control. In space environments like Mars or distant celestial bodies, the absence of direct sunlight necessitates the use of artificial lighting to provide the necessary spectrum for plant growth. However, these lighting systems, along with the equipment needed for maintaining optimal environmental conditions and recycling resources, consume substantial energy. Therefore, devising energy-efficient lighting that replicates sunlight's benefits and developing innovative energy generation methods, such as advanced solar panels or nuclear power solutions, are crucial areas of research to sustain agriculture in space. Environmental control is also a critical aspect of space farming. Maintaining the right temperature, humidity, and atmospheric composition is essential for plant growth and animal well-being. This requires sophisticated environmental control systems that can reliably maintain these conditions over long periods, which is challenging given the limited resources and the harsh conditions of space. Pollination is another issue in space farming, especially for crops that require insect pollination. In the absence of pollinators like bees, alternative methods of pollination must be developed. This could involve manual pollination, which is labor-intensive, or the development of robotic or automated systems to perform this function. The psychological and social aspects of space farming also present challenges. For crew members on long-duration missions, the responsibility of maintaining a space farm can add to the stress and workload. However, space farming can also have psychological benefits, providing a connection to Earth and a sense of normalcy, which can be crucial for mental health in the isolated and confined environment of a spacecraft or extraterrestrial habitat. The economic viability of space farming is a concern. The development of space farming technologies and the transport of materials to space are expensive. As such, ensuring that space farming systems are cost-effective and provide a good return on investment is essential for their long-term sustainability. In conclusion, the challenges of space farming, while significant, are not insurmountable. The path towards developing sustainable agricultural practices in space is paved with continuous research and technological innovation. These efforts are gradually overcoming the hurdles posed by the unique conditions of space, edging us closer to a reality where sustainable farming is possible beyond Earth. This area of research is crucial for the future of human space exploration, offering the potential to provide fresh food, recycle waste, and enhance the quality of life for astronauts on extended missions. Moreover, the advancements in space farming have broader implications for Earth, offering insights that could improve sustainable farming practices, thereby contributing to global food security and environmental sustainability. The pursuit of space farming is not just a step towards supporting human colonies in space but also a stride towards a more sustainable and food-secure future on our own planet.